Jamie, affiliate marketing seems really complex. I mean, you need to set up websites, you need to run ads, you need to do all this stuff. So, yeah, I don't know if it's for me. This is a conversation I seem to have on a fairly regular basis, and I'm hoping that after this video, the people that choose to watch this are going to understand that you don't need all that stuff. That stuff helps you out, but you don't need it to get started. In fact, with the process that I use, it is an incredibly simple business model where you don't really need to set up too much at all. So if this is the first time here, by the way, my name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital, really. If any of that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right, so what do you need to start affiliate marketing? Well, circa back to 2011, I started setting up blogs. I was interested in CPA, so I started learning ads on CPA networks. I was learning Kindle. I had FBA at one stage. I was trying eBay, arbitrage with Amazon, all this sort of stuff. I ended up getting into e-commerce, Shopify, all that sort of stuff. I ran ads for local businesses for years as well. And that was sort of my gig. Now, here's the deal. All that stuff was very complex. There was a lot of moving parts, and if something went wrong, you had to try and work out what the solution was. If your ads weren't running properly, you needed to update your copy, you needed to update the images, there was targeting issues, the landing page you needed to keep tweaking, you needed to keep tweaking the copy, the images, the color scheme, the email follow-up, all that stuff. Even the setup of that can take a lot of time and energy, and especially knowledge as well. So with all that being said, you can get started. You have a very amazing luxury at the moment that we have access to the likes of Facebook, to YouTube, to LinkedIn, to Twitter, to TikTok, to all these channels, all these different platforms. And so if you have the ability to communicate with people on a one-to-one basis or one-to-many like YouTube, you have the ability to start your own affiliate marketing business. A lot of people are making a substantial income right here on YouTube by quite simply posting content that is relevant to their audience, that's going to help them out, that helps them build that relationship with their audience over an extended period of time, and basically gets them from A to B in terms of what they're doing online. So that's one way. Now, the other way, of course, is jumping onto Facebook. This is my favorite, and this is what I teach a lot of my students. By the way, if you're interested in having extreme levels of clarity in terms of what you're meant to be doing every day with your affiliate marketing, you want to join an amazing community, and you're basically tired of struggling, all you need to do is click that link below, come and join us in the Super Affiliate Accelerator. It's not going to be for everyone. However, the people that are taking action on it are getting some amazing results. So with all that being said, right, so what I prefer to do is jump onto Facebook. So at the end of the day, remember that affiliate marketing isn't about you. It's not about your desire for money. It's not about your desire to build a business. It's about what your prospects and your customers need and want. And if you have that in the forefront of your mind, if you then take away all that other stuff, the complexities about email marketing, etc., literally all you need is a product that you really believe in, that you know can help solve problems for people, and a way to get people to view that product, and a way to transfer those people from looking to buying. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. Now, for that, like I say, my preference is using Facebook. And the way that we do that, it's not actually overly complex at all. My entire business is actually only 4 steps. Number 1, I post content just like this. I try and help audience members out. I try to deliver value. I try to sell my stuff. I do have a few things that I like promoting. So I try to sell stuff, of course, I'm a marketer. Number 2 is I engage with other users on the platform. So I find people that are already interested in the same stuff that I'm interested in. I go and engage with their content. I also reach out to them and I say hello and just have a conversation like a normal human. I don't necessarily try to sell them right off the bat. I basically just say, hey, how's it going? How's life? What are you up to? And that's it. And then the 4th step, of course, is that I have an ironclad diagnostic process which takes people from prospects to buyers. It's kind of the secret sauce of the whole thing, if you will. Now, without that, basically you're getting engagement, you're reaching out to people, you're not really selling anything. So you do need that diagnostic process in place. Without it, the whole thing is pointless. But at the end of the day, it comes back to the product, what your prospects want, and if that product can solve those needs for those people, all you need to do is find out what they're actually needing and to see whether your solution is going to be the right one for them. Now, at this point, like I say, no mention of funnels, no mention of email marketing, and no mention of any of that other complex stuff. Now, I know a lot of people will go, well, yeah, well, Jamie, you've got funnels, you've got email marketing, and isn't that a little bit hypocritical? Well, yeah, you could argue that. However, without that core process in place, the rest of that stuff is completely pointless. So, of course, you get your core process down pat, which is content, engagement, outreach, sales, or diagnostics. And then once you've done that, you've got that, you understand the nuances, you understand how to brand yourself. That's when you can start putting ads on top of that. That's when you can start building out your funnels on your email marketing. Without that stuff, the rest is kind of pointless. You're just solving one specific issue, and it's not really building an entire business without the rest of those things in place. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Like I say, if you would like clarity on what you're doing, a framework that's taken people from 0 to 10K per month in as little as 3 months, all you need to do is click that link, see if the Super Affiliate Accelerator is the right choice for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. My name's Jamie, catch you in the next one.